Hi, Azam here from ORBTRON. Today we will do a new segment of video for my channel, and I call it a flash video. Okay, this flash video is where I introduce an item and give my first impression of the item in a very short time, in a very short video, right? If you need a full review, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to make review of the items for you. So let's get started. What we have here is Thoway 10,000 mAh power bank from REMAX, and the code model is RPP55, right? Okay, and this is how the packaging looks like. Alright, and here is the genuinity check sticker. I never tried to check it before, but from what I know, you just need to scan the QR code and it will take you to a site where you can check the genuinity. After you open this packaging, you will get this inside. Alright, so we have here the manual in English and Chinese. Alright, a very short micro USB cable around 10 centimeter or 15 centimeter. Right, the power bank itself. Okay, and the QC check tag, which indicates that this power bank has passed the QC check. Alright, let's put aside all this. Let's go back to the power bank. Right, so this power bank feels very plasticky, quite light in the hands. Right, it has 2 input and 2 output. Right, so there's the switch to turn it on. It has an LCD indicator to show the percentage of the juice inside the power bank. Alright, that shows at 10,000 mAh. So it feels very light in the hand to me, my first impression is, and some part of it is a bit hollow, right? Some a bit solid. So I think that's it from me on the Thoway 10,000 mAh power bank from REMAX. So if you want a full review of this power bank, please let me know in the comment below, and please hit the like button if you like this video, and please subscribe if you want to watch more video from me. Right, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye. By the way, you can get the Thoway REMAX power bank from one of my favorite online shopping portal. Thank you for watching.